Hello, my name is Jose, and I'll be going over my AI-driven drone for sustainability in agriculture. Challenge with modern agriculture is that farmers are using old technology and old techniques to water the crops, and this is costing them billions of gallons of water and lots of fuel as they're using the tractors or cars to get to the crops. So my solution to this was making an autonomous drone that can fly over the crops and detect anything that needs attention through OpenCV or thermal imaging. So this helps make everything much more efficient. The way it's getting done is that we use OpenCV plus AI to detect certain crops areas that need specific attention. And we also have a probing feature and a water dropper as it opens servo motors to drop water or fertilizer in specific crops. We also have a ground station that's feeding us data back autonomously, so we know exactly what's going on at all times. Why it matters is that this is making everything much more efficient as we have a plane that can fly in conventional mode autonomously. And once it sees an issue, goes into VTOL and goes down and taxis its way and does any probing or watering that it needs to do to make water cropping much more efficient. Some future work is that we want to be able to detect certain plants that need specific types of fertilizer or specific types of water just to make the entire process much more efficient for specific needs of certain plants. And the conclusion for the project was we were to make a drone that can fly autonomously and help make farmers' lives much easier by making everything much more cost effective and much more efficient and much greener for our environment.